Okay, so I have to share this. This is for childcare providers. You know, we do the kids first, and now I'm going to do a little one-on-one with childcare providers, health benefits. But I have to share with you today, one of my kids did their test, and he scored so good, and I am so proud of him. And I'm proud of the parents because what you do is also help with their learning process. It's just not just the teachers, but I want to give a shout out to them because they appreciated myself and Miss Eccles as teachers, so that means a lot. But I am so proud of my little student. I'm not even going to say his name because I'm going to keep him private, but I'm very proud of him. But that just warms my heart when you hear that a child that you nurtured, helped nurture, and teach did excellent on their tests. That means that they're going to do good in the world. Let me tell you about the health tip. So today's health tip is black seed oil. Yes, I watch more YouTube than I watch TV. I mean, I love YouTube. Like, I really just like YouTube. And I've been seeing on YouTube about a lot of black seed oil. I've heard about it. So when I had encountered this issues that I had with my skin, because I was diagnosed with eczema and psoriasis. So anyway, and then I turned a certain age, and when you turn a certain age, it's like my skin just started just acting all out of whack, just different things that I was doing. And one of the things I had to stop doing was taking in a lot of dairy. And it wasn't something that I was not trying to be cute, and it wasn't something that I wanted to do. It was something that I had to do because my eyes started flaring up, and then my skin was not agreeing with it. So one of the uses, and another thing, also let me back up. Another thing, I would go to the doctor to get these cortisone shots for my skin, and I really don't like putting all of that chemical into my body. So thank God for my oldest daughter. God bless her, Miss Leo Hart. I am so proud of her. But she called me one day and she said, well, Mom, you need to try this black seed oil because it cures inflammation in the body. And that's what a lot of eczema and psoriasis is inflammation in the body. And what can trigger it is red meat, and dairy products. So I had to really cut back on it, and sugar, anything with high fructose, corn syrup and sugars, which is in everything. I mean, because I used to drink tea a lot, and you know, tea is made with a lot of white sugar, and I was just it triggered so much intense itching, and I had a lot of bad symptoms. And if anybody who knows eczema is like a skin disorder. And it's cousins with psoriasis, but it's like a skin disorder that makes you itch a lot. You have a lot of rashes, and you just have to, and whatever you put in, it just comes right back out through your skin. And my skin and my eyes, around my eyes, I was very inflamed, puffiness. I have pictures too. You know, since I like y'all like that, I'm going to show you some of my ugly pictures of how when my skin broke out really bad around my eyes. And it was intense. And it was crazy to me because I grew up drinking milk and cheese and all that stuff, but it just didn't agree with me. So maybe I should have stopped it a long time because I've always had these skin disorders. But let me get started about on this black seed oil. Now, so I started taking the black seed oil. This is one of the things my daughter told me that I need to try. So I was reluctant with it. I didn't think it worked. Now, the black seed oil, I do the pill. I cannot do the liquid. I've already tried doing the liquid, but it comes in two different forms. Black seed oil helps with inflammation in the body. That's one of its uses. Now, on the internet, it says it cures everything but death. So I'm going to read you some of the things that it does. It promotes liver health, blood sugar balance, weight loss support, skin care, healthy hair. I also had noticed that my hair got thicker. I mean, I know this right here, this is my hair, but I'm just telling you about the hair out of my roots. The hair that grows out of my root. I noticed that it got thicker and it was more healthier, and I had less shedding of that when I combed it. And I know it was a benefit of the black seed oil that I was taking, because whenever one of my other ailments that I had suffered from, not anymore. I still monitor it, but was blood pressure medicine. I was on blood pressure medicine. If you take blood pressure medicine, your hair is going to lose some of it's more thinner, it's more weaker, because the blood pressure medicines, it decreases the growth of our hair. I mean, I noticed that before I got diagnosed with that, my hair was a certain length, it was thick, and I noticed it started falling and breaking out, and then it was real weak and just not at its best. And when I started taking the black seed oil, I noticed a big difference, and I could even smell it now. The black seed oil, it's an acquired smell. It smells like oregano, and I would say like an herb, like an oregano and cumin mixed together, like a little like a salsa smell, so to speak. So it doesn't smell the best. Let me show you what it looks like. It is, the pill is a healthy size pill. I do the here's a gel cap pill. If you shake this up, you can kind of hear the oil in it. So it's a very rich, thick oil. Now, how do you take this? Now, once again, check with your doctor before taking any type of herbal supplement. But for me, I take mine at night. I take mine at night. Hold on a minute. Let me get some. Leon is a bug. Okay. So I take mine at night, because I've also heard that black seed oil helps with sleep patterns. And I do notice that I do sleep good through the night when I take it. Some people take theirs in the morning. I have even taken black seed oil on an empty stomach. Yes, I am that person that's going to try stuff out, natural stuff, just to see the result of it. But I notice when I take it on an empty stomach, and I'm talking about the capsule form now, not the liquid. I cannot take the liquid. The liquid, if you ever had castor oil, the liquid is very thick. I cannot take the liquid form. I just rather do it in the capsule form. And I noticed that when I take it on an empty stomach, I don't have any, side effects or anything. I didn't notice any diarrhea. I didn't notice any stomach cramping, any nausea, any dizziness, like when I told you about the zinc. But the black seed oil itself, the pill form, did nothing for me, bad side effects. But I did notice a lot of improving. And some other things, it's good for immune strengthening, kidney support, heart healthy, and respiratory health support. It's like this, it's like a really strong antioxidant herbal supplement that you really need to incorporate in your diet. If it's okay with, some people have to consult with their doctor, but I'm gonna tell you the truth. I went to so many doctors and dermatologists. Like, I'm happy with the dermatologist I have now, who's in Greenville, who's from Greenville Dermatology, Dr. Jatan. Oh, shout out to him. Like, I really love him. He really helped get my skin back into a healthy way, and then he gave me little simple things to do. And I'll share that with you. Now, I already know that people are going to go against some of the things that I'm sharing with you about what he said, but that's another segment. But it worked for me. And I'm very happy with the results. But I really like taking the black seed oil. I keep mine in the refrigerator just because I think it keeps up with the potency. Some people don't keep it in the refrigerator, but I do. And then you want to be careful where you get it from. Now, I got mine from Vitamin Shop, or you can order it through Amazon online. This one is cold pressed in Beaufort, Georgia. It's heat-free, virgin first pressing, solvent-free, hexane-free, alcohol-free, preservative-free, unrefined, and unprocessed. It's naturally gluten-free, and it's just got a lot of good things that it does for the body. And my number one thing for taking it was for inflammation in the body. But it also helps. I noticed a difference with my blood pressure. I did not stop taking the blood pressure medicine. I am at a lower dosage of it. Like I'm on 10 milligrams now, where I was on 25 milligrams, and I was taking 2 blood pressure medicines a day. You wonder why my hair was coming out. But I noticed that it now my system is balanced. It's more healthier. My hair is growing back to its natural state again, thicker, getting longer, and I am natural now. And I know that's one of the benefits because I started taking this black seed oil. And I have just started taking this since last year is when I started. This is 2019. Yeah, I would say last year of 2018, I believe that's when I started with it. But it short time of taking it over so many months, but I do notice I see positive results. So, you just may want to try that. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Just know I am hugging you and giving you a prayer because we all need prayer. Please only send me positive prayers. Okay? All right. Bye-bye. Yeah, there was a dirty spider on the floor. Ugh.
Did you get him?
Yeah, I did. You got that on camera, Leon. Do not put that on camera. We got bugs in our house on camera. Don't you dare put that on camera. Don't give me that little snarky smile, because I know you.